That in 2019, tips to Vermilion County Crime Stoppers have led to 3 arrests. Those numbers could be much higher. Good evening, I'm Paul Cicchini.
And I'm Jessica Coons. Crime Stopper leaders from across the state are trying to figure out how to improve the tip numbers in Vermilion County. Tonight, they met to talk about ways to get people to share what they know about these crimes. Part of that includes reassuring people they can stay anonymous when giving tips. WCIA3's Courtney Bunting was at that meeting. She joins us now. So, Courtney, how does Vermilion County compare to other areas when it comes to getting tips?
Well, Jessica, they're definitely on the low end. Now, we hear this word, anonymous, but how does that anonymity work? Some might even think calling in a tip puts them on a list for law enforcement. Crime Stoppers wants tonight to be the start of dispelling those myths.
Is it truly anonymous? Will I be called on to testify? Will I be called on to miss work?
It can be easy to be afraid to share information in connection to a crime. That fear could be contributing to a low number of tips in Vermilion County. Crime Stoppers is supposed to help eliminate it.
We're here not to really criticize, but we're here to offer best practices.
That's why Crime Stoppers leaders from across the state met with people in Danville on Tuesday night. They know community members often hold information crucial to investigations. In 2019 so far, $450 has been paid out to tipsters in Vermilion County. That's from 3 arrests. That's about average for the area.
We did have a tip that led to an arrest and a homicide. It was one where we wouldn't have much to go on, and that tip did a lot for us, and we were able to catch a guy for it.
But those tipsters have to feel comfortable coming forward. Something Crime Stopper leaders believe could improve if people understand how it works.
Like when somebody calls Crime Stoppers, it goes to Canada, a phone number is scrubbed, goes down to Dallas, Fort Worth, answered by a company down there that does most of Crime Stoppers across America.
So I think that your anonymity is your safety. And so that's a good way to think about it. Nobody actually knows. I've never known anybody who's called into Crime Stoppers, even as the state's attorney.
There are also other possible ways that Vermilion County Crime Stoppers could improve in the community they work in. Leaders in some areas advocate throughout the community by starting neighborhood watch groups or spreading information on college campuses. It all depends on how they, in particular, choose to move forward. Jessica.
Some good options for them there. All right, Courtney, thank you. The Vermilion County Crime Stoppers Board currently has 6 members. They are always looking to recruit more people. Anyone who's interested in getting involved in Crime Stoppers can contact their county's board. That information will be on our website, WCIA.com.